How to use Mailgun to send email. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Mailgun software in order to send emails in 2024. So in order to do it, you first need to click on the link that is given in the description, and then you will be landed on the official website of mailgun.com. Now over here you need to just log in into your account if you already have your account on it, but if you don't have your account, then you need to click on get started for free, and then you will be landed on this page where you need to provide your full name, your company name, your email address, and you need to create a strong password for your account. And then if you want to subscribe for their paid plan, then you can add your information into it and you are going to get the 30-day free trial. So after filling these details, you just have to click on the create account option, and now once your account is created successfully, you just have to click on the getting started option. Now once you have successfully logged in, you just have to go to the domains section, and then you just have to click on add a new domain. Then you need to enter your domain name and you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to configure it. Afterwards, you just have to add the DNS records provided by the Mailgun to your domain's DNS settings. This typically includes MX, TXT, and CNAME records. After uploading your DNS settings, you need to wait for Mailgun to verify your domain. So this may take a few minutes. Afterwards, you need to go to the API key section, and here you need to click on create a new API key. Over here you need to provide a short description into it, or basically the API key name, and then you need to click on create API key. Then you need to install Mailgun SDK in your device, and then you will be able to use this API key in order to send emails using Mailgun. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.